Hey guys, and welcome to the rainy day. Next video that we're gonna make is gonna be called Gray Has No Emotion. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I was just idle for a sec, but I'm back. This video might end on a random number. And welcome to the random day of Sprunky. Let's see if Gray's gonna think it's a beautiful day today. Well, Gray doesn't even say that. He doesn't even say, it's a beautiful day today. I always know who says that. And on the channel, I know who says it. It is Nico who said it. Oh, and there's also a Nico from Carl the Collector. I watched that show. It's a beautiful day today. Wait. Guys, do you see that rain? And it's even cold out here. I'm actually kind of dying. Yay, we fixed it! Ow. My freaking legs. Just put on warm pants. Ow, ow, ow! My limbs! Got a problem, yeah, cause I got no one. Now that's how I'm getting paid. Good you stay up shining, now I'm shining like a bit. Cause we are hunter. Oh, sorry guys. I was just singing Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters. I didn't know I was still playing the freaking game. Ro, mo, fo, ho. 5:30. Ro, fo, mo. Eagerness. Rock, sock, block. Nundy line. Fundy lot. Floppy line. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you know what fun to rhyme is. Fun, the number 2 rhyme. Yeah! At least I can't die. Oh gosh, it is kind of cold in here. It is kind of cold out here, and what the freak is going on with my characters? I'm actually going to take off all of them. Gosh, it's raining. I bet someone will be horny for that. Ow! Hi, Gray. Why are you here so early? Oh, hi, Mr. Sun. At least you're still shining. I'm about to go away in a second, and it's about to be night. You didn't even let me finish my line. It's about to be nighttime in 1 second. It's about to be nighttime in 1 second now. I'm actually kind of sick of this, Gray. Wait, it will be nighttime in a couple seconds, Mr. Sun? Yes, it will be nighttime in a couple minutes. Huh. Looks like I have to go. Bye, Gray. It's gonna stop raining. Guys, hit like for it to stop. Guys, hit like for it to stop raining. Is it gonna work? Yes, and turn the sky back, please. That's not the sky. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to watch more, like, subscribe to my channel because I'm literally at my house and I need to go do something for Wenda. She said I need to wash something about her, but she's my girlfriend. Bye.